Crown's Economics, Understanding Price Differences in Europe and Turkey. In the world of finance and economics, the concept of purchasing power parity (PPP) is often used to compare the relative price levels of different countries. One interesting case study in this regard is the comparison between Europe and Turkey, two regions that have significant differences in terms of price levels and consumer behavior. When we talk about price differences between Europe and Turkey, one of the first things that comes to mind is the cost of living. It is a well-known fact that the cost of living in Europe, especially in countries like Germany, France, and the UK, is significantly higher than in Turkey. This is largely due to higher wages, higher taxes, and higher living standards in Europe compared to Turkey. However, price differences go beyond just the cost of living. In fact, the prices of goods and services can vary greatly between Europe and Turkey, even for the same products. This is where the concept of PPP comes into play. PPP is a theoretical exchange rate that allows us to compare the purchasing power of different currencies by equalizing the prices of a basket of goods and services in different countries. So, how do price differences in Europe and Turkey affect consumers and businesses? Let's take a closer look at some key factors. 1. Currency exchange rates. One of the main factors that determine price differences between Europe and Turkey is the exchange rate between the euro and the Turkish lira. As of writing this article, 1 euro is equivalent to around 10 Turkish lira. This means that products that are priced in euros in Europe can be significantly more expensive for Turkish consumers due to currency exchange rates. 2. Import and export costs. Turkey is heavily dependent on imports for many goods and services, especially in sectors like technology, automotive, and fashion. This means that Turkish consumers often pay higher prices for imported products due to import taxes, customs duties, and logistics costs. On the other hand, European consumers may benefit from lower prices on Turkish products due to lower import costs. 3. Inflation rates. Inflation rates also play a significant role in price differences between Europe and Turkey. While Europe has relatively stable inflation rates, Turkey has struggled with high inflation rates in recent years. This has led to price increases for many goods and services in Turkey, making it more expensive for consumers to make purchases. 4. Cultural and regulatory differences. Cultural and regulatory differences can also impact price differences between Europe and Turkey. For example, certain products may be subject to different regulations and taxes in each country, leading to price variations. Additionally, consumer behavior and preferences can differ between Europe and Turkey, leading to differences in pricing strategies for businesses. In conclusion, understanding price differences between Europe and Turkey is crucial for consumers and businesses alike. By considering factors such as currency exchange rates, import and export costs, inflation rates, and cultural and regulatory differences, we can better understand why prices vary between these regions. As the global economy continues to evolve, it is important to stay informed about these price differences and their implications for our everyday lives.